In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Google Chrome web browser onto your computer. So this should be a very quick and easy tutorial to follow, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but you want to navigate over to google.com. So once you're onto Google, you want to go into the Google search bar, and you want to type in Google Chrome, and you want to search that up. One of the best managers should be for the Chrome web browser, and it should have a Google domain. So you want to open that up. Again, make sure it says Google up here. Select the download Chrome button. Once you've looked through the terms of service, left click on accept and install. So I'm going to save the file first, and once the file is finished downloading, I'm just going to open up the setup file. I'm going to left click on run. And then if you receive a user account control window, you want to make sure it says verify publisher Google Inc. in here, and then proceed to left click on yes. So this will take about a minute or so to download and install, so please be patient. And there we go, guys. Once it's finished downloading, it should open up a new browser window, and that should be about it. So I do have this brief tutorial was able to help you guys get set up, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.